Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Auto Luxury Vehicle. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting performance coupes of the year, the BMW M2 C5. This isn't just a facelift. BMW went deep under the skin to give the M2 a full-blown performance makeover. Let's get into it. From the first glance, the M2 C5 looks angrier and more focused. The front end now features redesigned, more aggressive kidney grills and sharper LED headlights, a deeper front splitter, functional air curtains, and a wider stance hint at serious track ambitions. The C5 treatment means carbon fiber and lots of it. Hood, roof, mirror caps, and that rear spoiler, all carbon, and those 20-inch forged wheels wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 rubber, they scream performance. Inside, the M2 C5 is a cockpit built for driving. You get M-carbon bucket seats straight from the M4 CSL, with Alcantara touches and illuminated C5 badging. The 14.9-inch curved iDrive 8.5 display houses BMW's latest tech, including wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and configurable M-Drive modes. BMW kept the driver-focused ethos alive. The seating position is low, visibility is solid, and these shift paddles, pure metal. The ambient lighting and carbon trim strike a balance between premium and raw. Under the hood, the M2 C5 packs the same S58 3.0-litre twin-turbo inline-6 but now it's pushing 520 horsepower and 479 pounds-to-feet of torque. That's 40 more ponies than the standard M2. And yes, it still offers a 6-speed manual. Respect. With launch control, this thing rockets from 0 to 60 in just 3.7 seconds. The 8-speed automatic is blisteringly quick, but the manual, it's a driver's dream. And thanks to the M-Active rear differential and adaptive suspension, it's just as happy on backroads as it is on the track. The C5 gets upgraded M suspension tuning, stiffer bushings, and an optional carbon ceramic brake package. It's more planted, more communicative, and has sharper turn-in than the regular M2. Steering feel is precise, throttle response is instant, and the chassis, it's playful but predictable. You can slide it around or laser it through corners. It's the M formula perfected in a compact, rear-wheel drive package. And the sound, it's aggressive, raw, and completely intoxicating. BMW has worked on the exhaust note, giving it more bark on startup and deeper tones in Sport Plus. It's a proper M-car soundtrack. The BMW M2 C5 starts at around $74,000, and that can climb with options like the carbon brakes and M-Drivers package. Its main rivals, the Audi RS3, Porsche 718 Cayman GTS, and even the Toyota GR Supra. But none offer the same balance of power, poise, and pure RWD fun. The BMW M2 C5 is everything a modern M car should be: a fast, raw, and focused. It's not just a baby M4, it's its own beast. If you want a compact coupe that delivers serious performance without losing its soul, this might be the best in the game. Brutal power, everyday usability, and true enthusiast DNA. The M2 C5 doesn't just play the part a broken bar, it owns it. If you enjoyed this review, smash that like button, subscribe for more weekly car content, and let me know in the comments, say, is the M2 C5 your dream daily driver? Until next time, keep driving.